Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 4.7 liter V8, and we have a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the Prairie Pearl coat. I really do like it. It's kind of a goldy green color. It looks really cool. You do have your bug deflector up front here with the chrome on the grille, and you do have your chrome bumper as well as you have your tow hooks just down there in case you need to pull anyone out of the ditch. Then you also have halogen quad headlights right there, very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look great. Those chrome rims look fantastic. You do also have heated exterior mirrors here. Now you do have the turning signal on them, and they are the tow mirrors. So all you gotta do is push them up just like that, and then they sit up, and you can see even more back there. Now coming all the way to the back, we got that 5-foot box back here. It looks great, lots of room. You do have the 4x4 badging and the Ram, as well as that chrome bumper back here as well. Open this guy as long as it's unlocked. You can look back here. You do have a box liner back here, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and lots of room. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have your handle here, another little handle here, and some storage just down here. Lots of room in here, very spacious. I do like the seats. The cloth is very nice and comfortable to sit on. You do have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all right there, and your in-cabin light control right here. Then up here, we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up now. So key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does say we have 81,000 kilometers on here, as well as it is 11 degrees outside. Now we can change that around a bit. We got our speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen set up, and then you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn right in the center there, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our gear shift, just like that. And over here we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. Then you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB aux cord or Bluetooth. You have your phone here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, as well as you have your compass there, and then you have your settings and your more options just down there. We also here have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and the browser there. And then over here we have the controls over the 4-wheel lock, the 2-wheel, and the 4-wheel low, as well as our neutral right there. And then over here we do have our controls over our climate. So we have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your heat and AC here. You have your hazard lights, and you have where it's going to blow out, plus your defrost. Then down here we do have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. Then you can open this guy up. You got a bit of additional storage in there. Got a plug-in right there, and a USB plug-in right there with a little bit of storage right there. Then you have 3 cup holders here with your armrest that does double as another storage container. Tons of storage in this vehicle. You also have your 3 little coin holders there, and you do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in right over there. You can lift this up. You got some storage underneath there for another person. This guy does seat 6 people all together. Then you have your top layer and your bottom layer for your glove boxes. You do have your owner's manual in there as well. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle. You have the controls over your windows. Another handle here and some storage here. Very spacious back here. It is that crew cab, as I said. Seats are the same as the front, very soft. You can lift this guy up. And you do have some storage under there and right over there, and your cup holders there. And right here we do have a little bit of additional storage underneath the floor mats. And there's our 4.7 liter V8. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2013 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.